Hey, Intro to Yearbook. This week for your virtual learning, you guys are learning how to write captions. And captions are a huge part of what we do in Yearbook because I would say 90% of your spread is made up of photos and captions. The other 10% would be the story, and we haven't gotten there yet. So captions are very short, captions are very simple, but caption writing does follow a very specific formula. And so it's very important that you watch this video about how to write captions, read this document about how to write captions, and then you have some caption practice this week and a quiz at the end. You do have 2 attempts for this quiz. It is fill in the blank. So if you spell something incorrectly, it will count it wrong. So don't get too worried about that because I will go back and review that. Try to spell things right, but I will make sure, it's not counting you wrong just for like a typo or something. But like I said, this is something that I really like to do in class because caption writing is so important. However, I do think it can be also learned independently. And so that way this week we are spending our time in class with me walking you through some more just design basics, and there will be more time for us to just kind of play around in online design and hopefully get into the lab. But anyway, just wanted to give you a quick introductory video about your virtual learning for week 6.